All Delta Kit's windshield repair injectors come with the same perfectly matched end seal. For quality and consistency, all seals go through a precision injection molding process. If you look closely, you will see that the end seal has two sides. The flared ID side, or embossed text side, is matched to the plunger shape for smooth insertion, and the tapered ID, or smooth side, is for leak resistance and increased pressure. For optimal results, we recommend you change your end seal every 10 repairs. When removing your seal, use your scribe tip. When inserting your end seal, make sure the embossed side goes up, leaving the smooth surface to touch the glass. For more information, don't hesitate to contact us.